can be. In a mountain, raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shore. Raise me up to more than I can be. Diva, Owa, Diva, yep.
Io, guardate tutti, guardate tutti.
Pon joku cool down.
Cool down.
Cool down. Näin pehtakaan. Tai minun mielestä hipo down.
Cool down and happy.
Relax.
Yeah. Kasi te fie bangina. Kasi te fie bangina.
This one. Okay, for you.
Mau ya gitu ya.
Come to talk with you again. Cause the vision softly creeping left its seat while I was sleeping. And the visions that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Reckless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, near the hollow of a street lamp. Turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon light that split the night and touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. For said I, you do not know Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But the words like silence and raindrops fell and echo the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sun flared up rolling in the words that I was falling. And the sign said the words of the prophets that we are on the subway walk, time and home, and whispered the sound of silence.
Malah tadi batu. Mami, pulau tak angin, iya. Itu beda angin.
In walking the streets alone, sing a song. On the road to my horizon, but I'm gonna be where the lights are shining on me, like a rhinestone cowboy out on a horse in the star-spangled rodeo, like a rhinestone cowboy. Getting cards and letters from people I don't even know, often counting on the phone. Really don't mind the rain, smile can hide all the pain. Sure that you're riding the train that's taking you long. The things I will do, the subway talking their dollar thoughts inside my head. There's been a lot of compromising on the road to my horizon, but I'm gonna be where the lights are shining on me, like a rhinestone cowboy riding out on a horse in the star-spangled rodeo, lone cowboy, getting cards and letters from the people I don't even know, offers coming on the phone. Riding out on the horse in the star-spangled rodeo, rhinestone cowboy, getting cards and letters from people I don't even know. Điều kỳ vậy vậy là cũng
Iya. Falat atau falat kawit.
Ati ko mi ako ni
Jim juga deh.
in a bar in Toledo, across from the depot. I asked her, she docked her ring. I thought closer, so I walked on over, sat down and asked her name. When the drinks finally hit her, she said, I'm no quitter. I finally quit living on dreams. I'm hungry for after, and here ever after, after whatever the other life brings.
Você filho,
In the mirror I saw
vai
him,
fel rir
I
no
closely watched him, for I looked out of place.
Pababa,
Came to the
mam,
woman who sat there
meka kay
beside
no
me.
kat,
He had a strange look on his face.
maile to wa bimodot.
Big hands were colors. He looked like a mountain. For a minute, I thought was that. She started shaking.
Teta,
Big heart was
Afoka.
breaking. He turned
kokota saus ka ko le le.
and said, you picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. 4 hungry children dropped in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times. This time you hurting won't heal. Picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. After she left us, I ordered more whiskey. I thought she made him look small. From the lights of the barroom to the rented
Ew.
hotel room,
Mabeti,
we walked without
le kamai
talking.
ki meka wai.
She
Baby,
was
no le
a
na
beauty.
tol.
When she came to me, she must have thought I lost my mind. I couldn't hold her, the words that he told her, coming back time after time. He picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille.
Iya,
4
Batu Malevo.
hungry children dropped in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times. This time you're heading won't heal. Pick a fine time to leave me, Lucille. Pick a fine time to leave me, Lucille.
iya aunga.
4 hungry children dropped in the field.
Avatu para di papai.
I've had some bad times, lived through
Iya,
some sad
iya.
times. This time,
Avatu rambet,
Betty would hear.
avatu rambet.
Pick a fine time to leave me, Lucille.
Kaya.
Koko sih dari
Avatu rambet. Rambet ya avatu. Avatu kamu tol. Oh iya. Pakalat. Pakalat abit. Mau tadang totol apa mau kawan. Oh iya. Iya, damai kia me kawai. Awa. Iya. Si whanau pe o ta whangatoko o no whiwhia se o mai ke tau tangutu o po tānoa. Alpo po hiwa. Nau toku mai no kalato e whenga maa makoi au. O si pe whiri ale po o pe taula ke au no po tānoa pe a whiwhia. Lau po po aki ofa pe lau whiwhia. Melo, o whatu kamu tolu. O iya. Kamu mea. Warat. Ei, Petu. Hau e atau ki waini. O mai ga atau ki waini. Fai longa ya ke aho. O watu.